It don't count if it ain't on camera.
DreDay TV, this what it is, baby. This MacBoot out of 3rd Ward, Texas. All niggas know Mexicans. No disrespect to the Mexicans, cause we black and brown, bitch.
Come on. Man, what's up, DreDay TV, man? Y'all outside. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Road to 100K Dre, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. We trying to have a little car meet for Takeoff, man. You know, Takeoff, he got shot and killed in Houston, man. So everybody came together. We're gonna do a candlelight. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna turn up in the city, man. Prayers for Takeoff. Prayers for Takeoff and his family, man. You know what I'm saying? Condolences to his family, man. Y'all see, we fuck with the amigos, man. This ain't about no Houston versus Atlanta, none of that, man. We gonna cut up for y'all, man. Rest in peace, man. For real, though. Sad situation, though. You know what I'm talking about? Make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Y'all see I'm outside. And I got that tool on me, so please don't get stupid. Don't get stupid. Come on, man. You already know that, man. I gotta get it.
See you stay outside.
I gotta get it. Michael. Y'all go being stupid. I don't get why niggas go run in the middle, man. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Niggas be going to go get in the middle, old goofy ass. Man, go and turn the Migos on, man. Turn it off, man. You playing the wrong music, my boy. We don't want to hear no Future today, man. Touch me, I'ma slap him. They gonna cut up for the Migos, man. Where my dog at? Oh, we gonna cut up tonight. Hey man, this for the Migos. You goddamn, you understand me? This for the Migos. It's for the Migos. And we got the blacks and the vatos out here, man. We gonna cut up, man. Come on. Make sure y'all like the video, man. We gonna turn this bitch up.
Get y'all 100. I'll play you one time and I don't fuck with that. Let's go. One here, 2, 3. Here. Let go. This one. You know, he missed with that one and that one. Point 2. Look, this one. This 2. This straight. Here. Point 2.
Where's that one?
There you go. Give him a chain. Give him a chain. I gotta win it quick. Have a nice day, man. Some of you got 2, you keep it. So hold up, if he show you he got $200, he keep that $200.
Good footage of that shit. DreDay TV, this what it is, baby. This Mac Boo out of 3rd Ward, Texas. All niggas no Mexicans. No disrespect to the Mexicans, cause we black and brown, bitch.
Is my man losing or is he winning? What is he doing?
Don't make my game look good.
So if he got the cash right now, you gonna pay him?
Yes, sir, but he only got
you got the money, then you tell me don't quit. Right here, I got 2. If he don't got it.
Which one? Here? He quit.
Nah, you said this one. Which one you said? Which one you said? This one? I got 2, bro. Yeah, God, I seen that ball. That ball ain't there. It's gonna be some shit in the game.
No, I will.
Not with them one of y'all.
Don't take my word on it.
But what is you doing? Cut that bitch up. What did you spinning in? Oh my God, is that the Mercedes for the ladies? You almost hit somebody? Boy, is you tweaking? We don't need another dead body, bro. Go park this motherfucker, man. Oh man. What is it? What the fuck is this nigga doing, man? This nigga tweaking. Hey, get your stupid ass. Bro, you ain't even in the right car, bro. What is you doing? You ain't even in the right car, bro. What is you doing?
You say, what is bro doing?
What the fuck is he doing?
Bro about to hit somebody.
That's not the
motherfucker was around me.
That's not the car for that. What is you doing? That's not it, my boy.
I did that for you, bro.
No. You got him, bro. You got him.
You ain't got no money, take your broke ass home. They be like, yeah. When that song come on, niggas say ain't got no money. Why the fuck is you playing? What is you playing for, my boy? Them niggas are the scam gods. Why are you playing with them niggas? I what they gonna do in that truck, nigga? What they gonna do in that truck, man? Some, it ain't major though. I ain't gonna lie, man. They say we supposed to be outside. Where the fuck everybody at? We still early, man. We early. Started at 8 o'clock. About 8:30, 8:15. Hey, what's up, bro? You won?
Huh?
You won?
I mean, I was getting them. I just wasn't getting them.
He said I was getting them.
Did you win, my boy?
I mean, me, yeah, but I didn't put my money though.
Oh, okay.
But I got him. It's all a setup. It's all a setup.
Say it again.
It's all a setup. Look, they're all part of it. Because look, you got it, and then when you look down to get your money, he flips it. That's what happened last time.
So did you lose money or what?
Now I put up money.
Last time.
I was getting them though. I just didn't put up money.
Why you didn't get your money, bro? Did you win though?
Yeah, I was getting them. I just didn't put money on it.
Hey, you a smart nigga, my boy. Appreciate it. And they're back on the move to steal niggas' money. Reporting live, huh?
You know how to run that?
I know how to do that shit.
AMG is a grown man. You gonna hear that bitch spit